Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Tasmia here. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I'll be sharing on how I drafted the pattern for this A-line dress with a lapel jacket. Do let me know if you're interested to know the stitching details as well. Also watch the video till the last or scroll it to the last to see how I styled the outfit on myself. And do comment down below to tell me how you find the outfit on me. So yeah, let's get started. To make the A-line dress, I've used the basic bodice dartless block for the front and the back and the basic sleeve pattern. So the sleeve pattern I'm using as it is. The back and the front can be drafted this way. Firstly, trace the pattern of the front and the back panel. Once we have traced the pattern, extend on the center front line as to how much ever desired length you require for the dress. On the desired length, square across. Depending on the amount of flare we require for the dress, mark the point on the horizontal line and join the line from the waistline till the hem. Make a smooth curve on the waistline. Now, keeping the side seam as the reference, draw a horizontal line so that we get a smooth curve even for the hem. So similarly, we will be following the same procedure to make the front panel. Both the patterns are cut on fold. Before transferring this pattern to the fabric, we will be aligning both the front and the back together to see if the side seam line is equal and also the hemline is same. So after transferring the pattern to the fabric, which is cut on fold, both the back and the front panel, we will be attaching the shoulder seam together. After attaching the shoulder seam of the front and the back panel, we will be attaching the sleeve to the armhole curve. So the next step is stitching the side seam from the sleeve hem till the dress hemline, and the dress is ready to be worn. So in order to make the lapel jacket, we will be using the same dress pattern. So the back and the sleeve pattern will be used as it is, while I will be showing the drafting of the front panel. So trace the front A-line pattern. Now note that this lapel jacket for the front pattern will be cut in 2 pieces. Depending on where we want to have the neck fall on the center front. In the pattern draft, I took about 2 inches on the line and joined the highest shoulder point to the line to form a lapel fall. Now from that point, join a slant line to almost the 3/4 length of the dress to form the lapel collar. So this is the front panel of the lapel jacket, which will be cut in 2 pieces. So here the front is cut in 2 pieces, the back on fold and sleeve in 2 pieces. Join the shoulder seam of the back and the front panel. Once the shoulder seam is stitched, stitch the sleeve to the armhole curve and then join the side seam from the sleeve hemline to the dress hemline. The front panel is open on the center front line that gives a lapel fall. So we will be attaching a piping to give it a cleaner look. I teamed up the A-line dress with the jacket to give a layered jacket look. While the A-line dress can be worn separately too, and the jacket can be teamed up with any other outfit, but this is how I teamed up this time. Do let me know by commenting down below how did you like the outfit and how I look in this attire. So yeah, that's it for today's video and thanks for watching. Do consider subscribing to my channel. Bye!